So you want to upgrade your exhaust tip. Maybe you want that deeper rumble. Maybe you just want the back end of your truck or car to actually look good. Either way, today I'm breaking down the top 5 exhaust tips you can grab right now on Amazon. We're talking different styles, different price points, different vehicles. So whether you're rolling in a diesel truck or a daily driver sedan, there's something here for you. And yeah, the links to every single one of these are down in the description so you can check prices and availability while you watch. Let's get into it. Starting us off at number 1, the Upower pack of 2 dual exhaust tip. 2.5-inch inlet, dual 3.5-inch outlet, 9.5 inches long. And yeah, it comes as a pack of 2 tips. That's the first thing that stands out here. So right off the bat, you're getting both sides of your vehicle covered in one purchase. That's just practical. You're not buying one, installing it, then realizing the other side looks completely different. A power thought about that, and it matters. Now, the finish on these, it's mirror polished T304 stainless steel. And when I say mirror polished, I mean it. These things catch light like crazy. It's genuinely chrome level shine without the chrome level price tag. Looks premium, feels solid in hand, no flimsy edges or cheap welds you'd expect at this price. The design itself is a double wall weld-on angle cut. So the installation is permanent, you're welding these on, which does mean it's not a 15-minute parking lot job. You'll want to get a professional to do it, or at least be comfortable with a welder. That's the one thing I'd flag for people. If you want something you can bolt on and off yourself, this isn't quite that. But if you want a clean, rattle-free, permanent install that looks factory, this is it. Pros: pack of 2 both sides covered instantly. Mirror polished T304 stainless, genuinely shiny. Dual outlet gives fake dual exhaust visual effect. 20 plus years of brand manufacturing experience. Cons: Weld-on install, not a quick DIY bolt-on. Only fits 2.5-inch OD tailpipes specifically. All right, moving on to number 2, WENSHUAINIU universal 5 to 8-inch exhaust tip. So this one's clearly aimed at the diesel truck and heavy-duty crowd. If you've got a big rig, a dually, a work truck, this is the kind of tip that makes a statement. It's an elbow design, meaning it bends the exhaust flow so it either exits downward or to the side, depending on how you set it up. That's different from everything else on this list, and it's worth noting. What I like about this one is the choice you get at checkout. You can go silver chrome or high-temp black paint. Both options, same product, different finish. That's actually pretty rare at this level, and it means whether you want something shiny or something more murdered out, you're covered. Now, the build quality on this, it's using an alloy steel core with a triple protection construction. So you've got the alloy core, then the external finish on top, and then an internal heat-resistant coating as well. 3 layers of protection against heat, rust, and general abuse. For an elbow pipe that's going to be sitting right in the exhaust path, that matters a lot. Pros: massive 5 to 8-inch size, serious truck presence. Choice of chrome or black finish right at checkout. Triple protection build handles extreme heat well. Mandrel-bent for better flow, not just looks. Cons: overkill for standard cars or small trucks. Elbow turn-down style isn't for every build. Now let's talk about number 3, A-KARCK's black chrome exhaust tip. 3-inch inlet, 4-inch outlet, 12 inches long. And this one is probably the most universally appealing option on the entire list. Here's the deal with A-KARCK. They've quietly become one of the highest selling exhaust tip brands on Amazon. And once you hold one, you kind of get why. The build quality for the price is genuinely surprising. Like, you expect it to feel a little hollow or cheap, and it just doesn't. The black chrome finish is the star here. It's not matte black, it's not painted black, it's black chrome. There's a depth to it that a flat powder coat finish doesn't have. And A-KARCK specifically markets it as a never fading, never peeling coating. Bold claim, but the reviews back it up. People are reporting this thing holding its finish through winters, road salt, and daily driving without issues. Installation is pure bolt-on. Slide it on, tighten it with a wrench, done. No welding, no drilling, no professional needed. And it fits most 3-inch OD tailpipes, universally cars, trucks, SUVs, whatever you're running. Pros: never fade black chrome finish, holds up well, drainage hole prevents rust from the inside, easy bolt-on install, wrench only needed, surprisingly solid build quality for the price. Cons: only one size variation in this specific listing. 3-inch inlet limits fitment to matching pipes. Alright, number 4 is the Bielpord carbon fiber exhaust tip. 2.5-inch inlet, dual 3.5-inch outlet, fits 61 to 63 millimeter exhaust pipes. So carbon fiber, real carbon fiber on the outer shell, not a carbon fiber wrap, not a carbon fiber print on plastic. Actual carbon fiber material baked using high-end technology. And you can tell when you look at it that woven texture catches light differently than any steel or chrome finish does. In sunlight, it does something almost iridescent, and for car enthusiasts, that's exactly the vibe. The inner layer is mirror-polished stainless steel, so while the outside is doing the carbon fiber thing, the inside is clean and heat-resistant. It's not just a hollow shell, there's actual engineering behind it. The dual outlet design, same idea as the Upower, goes from a single 2.5-inch inlet and fans out to two 3.5-inch exits. Twin exhaust look without the twin exhaust system. And on a sports sedan or performance compact, that genuinely looks the part. Install is bolt-on, no welding. Just make sure your bumper has at least 8.5 inches of clearance for the width. Bielpord calls that out explicitly, and it's worth measuring before you buy. Pros: genuine carbon fiber outer shell, not a print. Sound-absorbing cotton adds a deeper exhaust tone. Dual outlet creates premium twin exit visual. Mirror-polished stainless inner layer for heat resistance. Cons: requires 8.5-inch minimum bumper clearance width. Best suited for cars, not ideal for large trucks. And rounding out the list at number 5, the LCGP 4 to 5-inch diesel exhaust tip. 12 inches overall length, black powder-coated, 30-degree rolled angle cut, bolt-on. So this one's the workhorse of the group. No flashy carbon fiber, no dual outlet tricks, no elbow design. Just a well-made, properly finished exhaust tip for truck owners who want something that looks clean, holds up, and installs without drama. LCGP has been doing stainless steel manufacturing for over 20 years with their own in-house facility. That matters because the tolerances are consistent. These aren't tips that arrive slightly warped or with finish issues. The 201 stainless steel body is corrosion resistant under the powder coat, and the black powder coat itself is a proper surface finish that won't rust the way painted tips do. Now, the 30-degree rolled angle cut is worth talking about. It's not just for looks. The rolled edge means no sharp metal lip exposed on the end of the tip. If you've ever nicked your hand on a cheap exhaust tip with a raw cut edge, you know why this matters. LCGP rolled it? Done. Clean, safe, looks good. Install is just screws and a wrench. Bolt it on, tighten it down. Done. No professional needed. Easy afternoon job. Pros: 20+ years of manufacturing experience behind it. Black powder coat won't rust like painted finishes. Rolled angle cut, no sharp edges, looks clean. Built-in drainage hole prevents internal rust. Cons: single wall only, no double wall heat insulation, more functional than flashy, not a showpiece pick. Best overall value: the Upower pack of 2 tips, mirror polish, dual outlet, one price. Hard to beat? Best for diesel trucks and heavy-duty builds. The WENSHUAINIU elbow. Nothing else on this list comes close for that size range. Best budget black tip? A-KARCK, no contest. The finish punches way above the price. Best style upgrade for sport cars? Bielpord carbon fiber, easily. The sound-absorbing cotton is a bonus nobody expected. Best no-nonsense truck tip? LCGP. Built to work, built to last, zero fuss. Hopefully this helped you figure out which one actually fits your vehicle and your budget. All the links are in the description. Prices, availability, and direct Amazon listings for all 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.